Hello and welcome to a Whimsy Stamps product reveal video. We are going to be sharing the Cutie Alphabet Die Set. I am so excited for this die set. I think these letters are, as the name says, very cute. They range from about 1 1/8 to 1 1/4 inch tall, and our widest letter is the M at 1 inch wide. Now I've die cut them all out of some nice green cardstock so you can see just how great these letters are. They are sometimes lowercase, sometimes uppercase, just a really fun die set where you can make your own sentiments. I created my own sentiment using Love You Forever, and the 4 is from our Cutie number die set, and made this fun floral card. If you'd like to see how I put this card together, come back soon here to the Whimsy Stamps channel, but you can get all of the new products in the description down below. We are so excited for this reveal, and we hope you'll join us over on our social media, including our Facebook group, for more inspiration. Bye!